Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday strongly condemned the recent attacks on United Arab Emirates that left 3 Indian nationals injured, calling the targeting of civilian and critical infrastructure unacceptable. In a post, PM Modi said, strongly condemned the attacks on the UAE that resulted in injuries to 3 Indian nationals. Targeting civilian and infrastructure is unacceptable. India stands in firm solidarity with the UAE and reiterates its support for a peaceful resolution of all issues through dialogue and diplomacy. Highlighting the broader regional implication, the Prime Minister also stressed the importance of maintaining secure global trade routes, particularly through Strait of Hormuz. He noted that ensuring safe and unimpeded navigation through the Strait of Hormuz is vital for ensuring regional peace, stability and global energy security. The incident marks first such interception since the UAE declared its airspace secure on April 9, coinciding with the beginning of US-Iran ceasefire. Separately, 3 Indian nationals were injured in a drone strike that triggered a major fire at the Fujairah oil industry zone. The report News Now.